everyone, this is Amy. I'm the founder of Sundays. Today I would like to share some tips about how to do nail art at home using the nail polish brush if you don't have any nail art tools. So super simple nail art for everyone. Let's get it started. So I'm gonna use this 3 polish today for my nail art, and also this is the top coat base coat I'm gonna use. You might also need the paper towel, regular paper towel, and a wooden stick just to clean up the side. Step 1, base coat. But before base coat, let's using a paper towel mixed with polish removal to gentle clean each nail plate. So what it does is take off any oils on your nail plate so it can help your nail polish last longer. So I'm going to use this one, which is BO4 from Sundays. For my base coat, it's a rich feel base coat. What it does is really smooth out any lines you might have on your nail plate. It's almost like a primer we use for our skin. When we apply nail polish, it will look super smooth. First coat. After applying base coat, please allow your nail to dry for 60 seconds. The first layer of nail polish. And I'm gonna use different colors so I can showcase different design. You can, after applying polish, you can use this side of the wooden stick to clean up the side. So this is my first coat, and don't worry about if it's not even, and try to do a very thin coat for the first coat. After drying my polish for around 1 to 2 minutes, I'm ready for the second coat of the polish. I found this white color is a little thick, so what you can do is you shake it and mix it like this way to make it easier to apply. So I finished the second coat of application. Let's wait for another 2 minutes to make your polish dry. I'm gonna do the first design for this nail. I'm gonna use number 6. What I'm gonna do is I take the brush, I take off the nail polish, and starting from the middle, I'm gonna brush it over. And then you start brushing it down. While we are drying this nail, we can move to the next step. So on the second one, you want to brush it from the side. So for this one, it's the same thing, just one stroke. You start from the middle, and then you just move it, your brush across, and then move it down, and then clean up the residuals on the side. Sorry, this side. And for this nail, I'm just going to brush it on the corner. Start with the corner, and one stroke, move it forward. And then we can start the touch up to see if we need a second coat. So this is the second coat. So we're gonna dry it for another 2 minutes. So I have some tips I'd love to share while you are applying the polish from side to side. Try to do it one stroke very quickly from side to side or from corner to corner. For my thumb, using the same technique, I'm gonna brush it from side to side using this color, L01. So it doesn't seem like the polish is not visible, so I'm gonna use a little darker color. It's number 10 from Sundays. Let's dry for 2 more minutes, and then we're gonna apply top coat. Nail polish lasts longer. also prevent it become dull. So we are getting ready to apply top coat. This is T01 from Sundays, and you can apply a little more and to keep your nail polish look shiny. Clean up any corner you might have, because you apply the top coat, so you make the nail polish become wet again, so it's easier and this time to do the cleaning. And after this, you might want to apply a quick dry oil, which to cut the drying time into half. So normally you will take 20 minutes, so you might need 10 minutes to dry. So this is the manicure I did it today, and I hope you enjoy watching, and please let us know if you have any questions. Our Instagram is Sundays_studio, and I also super excited to announce that just recently launched our at-home manicure kit. So everything you use to do manicure or nail art will be included in that kit. We also have a gel removal kit just in case you have gel on your nails and stuck at home. So I hope I can hear from you. Check out our website. It's www.dearsundays.com. Thank you again for watching. This is Amy. See you next time.